Hello and welcome to our EDES104 Assessment 2 pitch by Alessandro Macri, Christian Reed and Matthew Rivera. This pitch introduces a Choose Your Own Adventure game for Stage 5 PDHPE students. Online educational games are a useful resource that is used to entertain and engage with adolescents within a learning environment. Our game is aimed for Stage 5 secondary students aged between 14 to 16 years old and is suitable for all genders and backgrounds. The game will be based on the NESA PDHPE Stage 5 syllabus.
The aim of this game is to teach students on making correct decisions in a Choose Your Own Adventure game. The students are placed in scenarios they may face during their time as adolescents, eventually learning from the events in the game, and will assist them in situations that they may face in the future.
From this, we aim to educate them to choose between the right and wrong decisions, use real-life scenarios that they would be faced during their developing years, and also have the inclusiveness of gender, race, and class.
Sequence of lessons. 3 activities during the lessons that will be held for the students will be run as followed. The introduction. In the introduction, the students will get familiar with Scratch and be shown the starting stages of the game. The lesson will show the students the addition of settings, backgrounds, scenarios, and characters in the game through the medium of Scratch. In the stage scenarios, it will display the event and its explanation, the options the character will be able to make and click on, and the transitions from one scene to another when the choice is chosen by the player. And finally, movement and flow of the game. To ensure that the game is interesting and not just ending up like a boring slideshow, the addition of moving sprites and backgrounds will be implemented using Scratch, and the students will be taught how to move these sprites around to make the game interesting.
Game demo. The outcome of the game should look similar to the display below, in which we have a scenario between different students. An example may be, you see your friend being cheered on to smoke a cigarette by a group of people in your year group. Are you going to join in with the group and egg on your friend, tell them to stop, or maybe try the cigarette yourself? The choices the player is able to make will be highlighted and clickable. Once clicked, it will lead to another scene which would be displayed in consequences of the action taken place. Usage of technologies. The usage of technologies are as followed. Scratch. Scratch will be used for designing, developing and playing the game. PowerPoints, which we have been used to present the pitch and deliver our information in an engaging way, both verbally and visually. And finally, YouTube, which we have uploaded our pitch for others to watch and gain information that we are trying to send through.